Moneyboat, features, strengths, weaknesses. Moneyboat offers invoice finance, also known as factoring or invoice discounting, primarily targeting UK-based limited companies and LLPs. Their core feature is unlocking working capital tied up in unpaid invoices, enabling businesses to access funds typically within 24 hours of invoice approval. This is achieved by Moneyboat advancing a percentage, usually up to 90%, of the invoice value. A crucial feature is their selective invoice finance option, allowing businesses to choose which invoices they want to fund rather than committing to funding all invoices, providing flexibility. They cater to businesses with a turnover of at least £100,000 per year, often those experiencing rapid growth or seasonal fluctuations in cash flow. A significant strength lies in their speed of funding. Unlike traditional bank loans, the application and funding process is considerably faster, a major advantage for time-sensitive situations. Another strength is their online platform, which streamlines the application and management of invoices. The lack of long-term contracts is also a plus, offering more flexibility compared to some competitors. However, Moneyboat isn't without its weaknesses. Invoice finance isn't cheap. The fees and charges, which typically comprise service fees and discount fees, can be higher than a traditional loan. These costs can erode profit margins, particularly for businesses operating on thin margins. Another weakness is the potential disruption to customer relationships. While Moneyboat offers confidential invoice discounting where customers aren't aware of the arrangement, if disclosed, it could be perceived negatively by some clients. The minimum turnover requirement also excludes smaller startups and sole traders. Furthermore, while they offer a selective option, repeatedly selecting only high-value invoices could raise red flags and impact their willingness to continue funding. Finally, it's essential to recognize invoice finance isn't a substitute for sound financial management. It's a tool to manage cash flow, not a solution to underlying profitability issues. In conclusion, Moneyboat provides a valuable service for UK businesses needing quick access to working capital locked-in invoices. The selective invoice finance and fast funding are compelling advantages. However, the costs involved and potential impact on customer relationships are significant drawbacks to carefully consider. If you're a growing UK business with strong invoices and need immediate cash flow, Moneyboat could be a viable option, but ensure you fully understand the fee structure and implications before committing. Remember to compare them against other invoice finance providers to find the best fit for your specific business needs.